Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Linux, where we make Linux easy. Today we're going to install Microsoft Fonts for LibreOffice and how to install a deb file. Before that though, I've decided to shoot for Tuesday uploads instead of Friday uploads. That just allows me a lot easier for my with my work schedule. Anywho, let's hop into today's lesson. Now we have installed LibreOffice. It got me thinking that some people might actually need Microsoft Fonts for school, work, or all of the above. As usual, we're going to be using the command line, so let's open up console. First off, let's log into our VM. So then we're going to open up the console. Now, we've been doing it through this way, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit easier way. If you actually click on the desktop and type KON, it'll show console. And you press enter, it'll open your console. So what we're going to do is we are going to use the sudo command again. So we're going to type sudo apt install, and we're going to put ttf-ms, and then we're going to press tab just to make things a little bit easier, because this is Linux easy. We don't want to do things the hard way. You're going to press enter. You're going to put in your password, and while this is going to install, I'll be right back. Oh, just a quick tidbit I forgot to put in. You're going to be faced with a EULA. All you're going to do is press the left arrow, and you're going to press OK. And you're going to press, the right arrow, my apologies. You're going to press the left arrow, and then you're going to press yes, and then it's going to install, and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, and we're back now. The Microsoft Fonts have been installed, so now you can successfully use Microsoft Fonts in LibreOffice. The second part of this video, we are going to install Google Chrome. So what you can do is you're going to open up Firefox. The reason I'm using Google Chrome because it's a really good introduction to Debian packages, .deb packages, and it also allows you to have a little bit more options for web browsers because some people prefer Google Chrome over Firefox. So you're going to type in your address bar on Firefox, Google Chrome download. As always, I provide links in the descriptions, so if you don't want to have to do that, if you don't want to follow along, you can just click the links in the description. So you're going to download Chrome. What you're going to do is you're going to make sure it is 64-bit.deb for Debian/Ubuntu. Now, .deb is the file package that KDE Neon, Ubuntu, Debian, and any other variants of that nature use. So we're going to click accept and install. It's not really going to install. What you're going to want to click is save file, then click OK. And as that downloads, what you're going to do is you're going to go right back to your console. You can type cd down, actually it's just down, and then press tab, and it'll say cd downloads, and you can press enter. You will be in your downloads directory. CD means change directory in Linux, as it does in Microsoft Office and Mac OS. So you're going to type is ls, that's going to list the contents of your directory. So as you see, you have Google Chrome, or Google-Chrome-table, blah, 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 blah. So what we're going to type sudo dpkg -i, and what this command does, this command teaches or tells the computer to install the deb file. So you're going to type Google or goo, and you're going to press tab because, once again, easy Linux. We don't want to do things the hard way. And you're going to press enter, and it's going to install. And I will stop the video right now, and I'll be right back once it's done. Oh, actually, it's done. Okay, so as you can see here, it says errors were encountered while processing Google Chrome. That's okay. You're going to type sudo apt -f, and this tells the computer to fix the missing dependencies. Then you're going to type install, or ins, and then press tab, and then press enter, and then it's going to ask you if you want it to install all these applications. Not a lot. You just press Y, and then press enter. And then there you go. You have successfully installed Google Chrome. So now, you should have in your internet options Google Chrome. And we'll give it a little bit to load because it's a new package, as always, just like with Windows. Doesn't help run a virtual machine either. I'm going to stop the video real quick. Okay, sorry about that. I had a little bit of hiccup with the virtual machine. So now if you have open Google Chrome, it'll ask you if you want to make this a default browser. I don't really use Google Chrome. I use it to browse Facebook, but anything outside of Facebook, Reddit, things like that, I do not use it. I use mostly Firefox for work. If you want to send user statistics and crash reports to Google, you can, but I don't like being tracked that much, honestly. So you click OK, and now you have successfully installed and opened Google Chrome. Just a little tidbit, these 3 little buttons right here. Click Go to Settings, and then it's going to say Themes. Click Use GTK. That just makes it look a little bit more cleaner. And that is it for this episode. You have successfully installed Microsoft Fonts and Google Chrome. You've learned how to use the command prompt to install .deb packages also. Please like, comment, rate, subscribe. Any suggestions of what I should do for my next video, leave it down in the comments. Once again, thank you for watching.